on the security of secure keyword search and data sharing mechanism for cloud computing. Abstract. Attribute-based proxy re-encryption schemes facilitate secure data sharing based on user attributes without needing a centralized authority for encryption or re-encryption. Here is our website, which you can find Python projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From Python projects to span diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research. Document. In Document we can provide this: contents, abstract, introduction, literature survey, system analysis, requirement analysis, system design, implementation and results, system study and testing, conclusion, future enhancement or future scope, references. PPT. In PPT we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope and references. Results. This is the project home, with having health record owner and hospital admin. The health need to be registered to this site to access their account to share the medicines to the required users. The health record owner need to be logged in using their valid credentials. The health record can view their account after successful login without any issue. The owner can be delete and view their uploaded treatment data. The admin need to be authorized the users. The hospital need to be registered with using the required information. The hospital need to be logged in with using their valid credentials. The hospital need to be search the disease. The hospital user can view the response of the request. Thank you for watching. For more details contact 9030333433.